today we're on a little journey. It's a beautiful day out, and I just decided to take a little ride on the Hawk, enjoy the beautiful day, and look at another project. This one is something that I think will work out pretty good, but let's go over here and look at this, and I'll introduce you to my next little project. Well, it's not going to be a little one, it's going to end up being a big one, but I think it'll be fun. Anyway, just kind of hang around with me for a little while and we'll check this out. Alright, so I'm going to introduce my next little project here. It's a 2000 Chevy Silverado. Show you a couple little things about it we're going to have to address. There are rocker panels, cab corners. That's not too bad, is it? Pretty easy to fix. A little rust around the fenders here. That's not bad. That might give me an opportunity to make me some bedside toolboxes on it. 8-foot bed, that'd make a nice size toolbox, wouldn't it? Alright, so that's not too bad, is it? Rocker panel, or cab corners, those are easy. And it's got good tires on it. I could use a bumper, I guess. And just your typical Kentucky rust. The side's a little worse on the bed, but can be fixed. I'm not really that worried about the rust around the fenders. The bumper's gone. The angle of the bumper might give you a clue as to something else that this truck needs, that a lot of Chevy Silverados have a problem with if you live in an area where they salt the roads. Let me show you this. This might scare some people. Yeah, we got a little bit of rust right there, just a tad. Not much, yeah. Alright. Now, from right here, I've took a hammer. I got a hammer right there, and I got a little notepad, wrote down the measurements and stuff. But, up in here, all the way to about right here is good. On the other side, on this other side over here, it is also rusted in too. It didn't go quite as bad on this side, but it's still gone. But actually the metal is good. Let's see, somewhere back here, I think right about right here. You can tell the cross members of the bed need some work too. New spring hangers. Now, most people would say that this is just a little too much. But we're going to fix this, and we're going to drive this truck. And I'm going to drive this truck for a long time, because I can fix all of this and make it safe. Now, the frame is solid up here. The frame is solid all the way to the front. The only place that the frame is bad is back here. And it is very fixable. So, we got us a project. Now, I'm not going to drive it home. It's going to be hauled. I'm not taking a chance, because this is a safety issue. I'm not going to take a chance on driving it on the main road. For a couple of reasons. For one thing, if this pushes into the cab, then I've got a big dent right here and a big dent right here. And that's just more stuff to fix. And we got a few things to fix already, so, but I think we can make a good truck out of this. Show you one more thing that I like. It is a V8 truck, 4.8, and you notice there's 3 pedals in the floor there. And here we got a big shifter. Of course, we got a 4-wheel drive shifter in the floor. There's no button up here to push. This one has the shifter in the floor like I like. And it actually has a manual transmission. I like a manual a whole lot better than an automatic. So, we have a good old manual transmission. So yeah, I just took a ride out here on the Hawk and decided I'd just come out and do some measurements. Like I said, I got the notepad, tape measure and all that there. Took some measurements on it, and I'm going to go and figure out how much material I need. Go ahead and get stuff ordered, and we'll put us a truck together. Anyway. Okay, well, I've made it back home. I'm out here beside a Zephyr. Now, you may be kind of wondering, what do I need with another truck? Well, really, probably nothing. But I do want it. See, it came up, one of the guys I work with. See, I'm buying it off of a guy that drives a truck for us. And one of the guys I work with mentioned that he had it for sale. Really, he was just selling it, basically selling the motor and transmission, because he was saying all that's really good on it is the motor and transmission, because the frame shot, you can't really drive it. Well, technically that is true. The frame is rotted out, but I think I can fix it. I know a lot of y'all are probably right now down in the comments saying you should just junk that truck. It is way too far gone. You can find another one a whole lot easier than you can fix that one. It's going to cost a whole lot more. Well, y'all just wait and see. I'll have that truck on the road pretty quick, actually. It's not going to take as much work as what it looks. It's going to be a little bit of work, yeah. It's not going to take as much money as what you're thinking. I've already got parts ordered for it, and I went and I took all the measurements today, so I know what all I need to get. And I fixed truck frames before. Fixed that old GMC frame. I fixed a Toyota frame, and as far as I know, the old Toyota's still on the road too. But yeah, you can fix a frame if you do it right. Just have to take your time, make sure everything is good and strong and straight. If you don't get it straight, then the truck will walk sideways down the road. You don't want that. You don't want any weaknesses in the frame. You know, you want to make it, to me, I want the new frame to be stronger than the original frame was. I'm giving $500 for it. So, just like he was saying before, that was basically for the motor and transmission. He said that's all that he felt was really worth anything, was the motor and transmission. He felt that the truck is too far gone, the frame's too far gone. He felt that you probably would have to junk the truck, but the engine and transmission was still good. So that's basically what he was selling for $500. I'm going to get the whole truck, and I am going to fix it, and I'm going to drive it for another 10 years. And it'll be safe. I'm not going to get anything on the road that's unsafe. It'll be safe, and it will be dependable. Anyway, that's I guess that's probably about going to do my little video for today. I appreciate everybody watching. See y'all on the next one.